Hello, good morning, Peter's here again. In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to troubleshoot and repair of this Microbishi wood mixer. So this is the brand. First, we have to clean the two prongs of the main plug. And once it's clean, check the melt plug by using quantity tester and make it sure that the switch is off in order to identify that the cable is short or open. And in order to check if there is any shortage, I'll cut the wire inside it. Then turn on the switch, the selector switch, from speed 1 to the higher speed. And now there is no any indicator of a short circuit. Let us try by providing power supply. And the power socket is giving out 235 volts. Then we have to insert this Microbishi to the power supply in order to check if it's running or not. So but still it's not running. Now this is the time to open the mixer machine. So now this is the inside of the board mixer machine. So there is no any sign of explosion. Check all the components of this machine if there is any signs of damage. The winding of the armature is fine. The armature contact is fine, but there is some dirt that need to clean. The brush is fine. The switch also is looking fine. There is no any signs of explosion. So we have to check the cable again from tip to end by using multi-tester. Check the resistance. It should be giving us 0 reading, but once it is OL, means open line, it means there is something wrong with the cable. See, it's giving us open line, OL. Because as of now, we didn't check the cable. Now, I check the cable from this tip to another tip. So it's giving us OL. Check the selector switch, same, it's giving us OL. But once I move the cord up and down, it's giving us resistance rating. So it means there is something problem with the keyboard. And we have to strip the wire in order to check this directly without the melt plug. So it's giving now a good reading resistance. So even the switch. So it means the cable is good. So we have to check the resistance and we have to turn on the switch. But still giving us open line. Maybe not just the cable having a problem, maybe by the armature, the winding of the armature, or maybe the switch needs to clean. We have to clean the selector switch first before we proceed by checking this armature winding. Now it's giving us a good reading after we clean the selector switch. clean it properly. Once the brass is shiny, then I think this is more enough sign of indicator that we have written a good contact. So now it's giving us good reading from lowest to highest. It means once it's highest, that is speed number 1. Then once it's lowest, that is the higher speed. So it means our selector switch is working good. Then we have clean the contact, they are mature. Because the dirt will remove carbon by using this sandpaper. Once everything looks fine, so we have to return it back the cover of the Microbishi food mixer machine. Install the milk plug. Check the milk plug if there's any shortage during the mixing cover. So now it's working good. So now there is no signs of open circuit, especially this short circuit. We must be aware of this before we providing power supply after the installation. So this is the time that we have to provide proper power supply. So now we have to clean these accessories of this food mixer machine because it's a lot of corroded, because it was stuck a long time, a decade, I think 5 years. So before we use this machine, there we go. Now it's look like a new product after we restore it. Thank you for watching. See you guys.